In today's Google Classroom series, I'll demonstrate how you could upload teaching materials, create topics or chapters, and finally, create and share a Google Drive with your students. Let's jump right into uploading teaching materials. Go to Classwork tab, click on Create, and choose Materials. Let's upload the course syllabus. Give it a title and some descriptions. Then, attach the course syllabus. If you would like to post the same material to a different class, click on this section and tick on the other class. Now, this post should be visible in both classes. To make sure that this post is available at the top of the Classwork tab, do not post it in any topic. Let's add another material. This time, it's the course book or student's reference book. Again, if you would like to post the same material to a different class, click on this section. And if you want this post to be seen on top of the Classwork tab, do not add a topic. Next, let's create topics according to the course plan to make sure that each post are categorized accordingly. To create a topic, click on Create and choose Topic. Add the topics one at a time according to the course book or the course plan. When all the topics are added, make sure that they are presented in the right sequence. To rearrange the position of the topics, click on a topic and drag it up or down. You can also move a topic up or down by clicking on the vertical triple dots opposite the topic. Now, to add materials under each topic, click on Create, Materials, provide the necessary information, select the right topic, and attach materials like YouTube videos, or attach a web page's URL. Again, if you would like to share these materials to a different class, add that class from this section. Now, we have one post under Sociology. Let's add the lecture notes under the same topic. Finally, let's go to the class drive to create a Google Drive folder, upload teaching materials, and share with our students. By default, This class drive is only visible to the teachers. To create a Google Drive folder visible and accessible to students, create a folder and modify the sharing settings. Click Change and choose anyone at your classroom. Finally, decide what your students can do with this folder. Now you can upload other materials in this shared folder. To upload, right-click and upload files. To notify the students about the shared Google Drive folder, you can also add a post on the Classwork tab. To do that, create a material, add some details, get a shareable link of the folder, and attach it with a post. Before we conclude this video, let's visit the other class and double check if we have successfully posted the same materials. There they are, successfully posted. Now let's have a look at the Classwork tab. We've got Post here. We've got the course book, the course syllabus, and finally, some posts under the topic of sociology. That's all for today's video. Happy prepping!